Hey everyone, my name's Olinga and I create videos on tech, filmmaking and art. Today, I'm going to be sharing my experience with iOS 16 and 7 useful features that help to level up my iPhone experience. The 7 useful features that I've chosen to focus on are the ability to edit and unsend messages, object copying, the new and improved weather app, the new and improved music app, the ability to show battery percentage, the Haptic Keyboard, and finally, the new and improved Lockscreen Customization. Let's get into it. iOS 16 gives you the ability to edit and unsend messages. This can be useful in a lot of situations. This can be useful when you send off a message that you had any typing errors on, or autocorrect absolutely butchers your message into a whole new meaning. You simply have to long press the message and press edit. It will let the person know that you have edited the message as well. If you really don't want the other person to see the message, you can unsend the message entirely. This can be done by long pressing the message within a certain time frame and pressing unsend. Object copying is a pretty cool feature. It allows you to copy objects from the Photos app and put them directly into any other app using AI. All you have to do is long press the picture and it will remove it using AI from the background. It does a pretty good job of separating the image from the background. Then you can drag that image into any app and send it off, or just keep it in the Notes app. The Weather app has had some tweaks and has been improved overall. It allows you to check the weather for the current day and all of the stats for that day. You can tap into any given day and you can go through all of the stats for that day, including rainfall, temperature, humidity, and a lot more. I think it looks quite aesthetically pleasing as well. The Music app has had some minor updates, but overall contributes to a better user experience. When you play music in the Music app, the album colors are matched within the background of the music player. Also, if you are playing a song, it will come up as a small banner at the bottom of the screen, just like notifications would. So it is out of the way and you can easily pause, play and scrub the song's timeline. And it also shows you a small waveform icon while the music plays. I think it looks very nice. It's been a while, but it's finally here. We finally get battery percentage without having to swipe down from the control center. All you need to do is go into the settings, scroll down to battery, then turn on battery percentage. It will show a battery percentage in either a white or black text, depending on whether you are in light or dark mode. I think this is a useful feature that should have come in a very long time ago. It's great for just checking how much battery you have throughout the day, without having to swipe down or go into your settings. The Haptic Keyboard feature is finally here. All you need to do is go into the settings, press Sounds and Haptics, scroll down to Keyboard Feedback and turn on Haptic. The vibration when you press each key makes it much more satisfying to type on. This is a feature that Android has been doing since the dawn of time, and Apple has just caught on. The vibration motor in the iPhone is great, so each key press is very satisfying. The new and improved Lockscreen Customization is probably the biggest change in iOS 16. I think it's a great feature. You can have objects behind the time, which creates a pretty cool depth effect to the lock screen. You can also have multiple lock screens with different home screens on each. You can blur the background of an image to make it suitable for the apps. You can customize each part of the lock screen, including the actual style of the time, the text on top of the time, like the date or the weather, and you can have widgets underneath this that shows, in my experience, quite useful information that you might want to see without having to open your phone each time. To be honest, I just really appreciate the aesthetics of it. It looks really clean and you can have a lot of different wallpapers and lock screens. I'm someone who constantly switches between wallpapers, and this feature allows me to do that without having to change the wallpaper every single time. All you have to do is long press on the lock screen and swipe to another one. You can also customize it within this display. I feel like iOS 16 is a pretty nice upgrade. It allows you to customize things and make things more personal. This is really an area that Apple has lacked in the past. I feel like this is the real upgrade when comparing to upgrading to a new iPhone, like the iPhone 14 Pro. There's no need to nowadays, as all of the features that you need on a daily basis, like having an OLED screen to see outside and a really good camera, are all here, even from the iPhone 11. I feel like all you need to do is upgrade to iOS 16 and you'll see a great difference in the customization ability as well as just the flow of things. I feel like this user experience has been customized overall for the person using the phone, just like Android has, but in a very Apple way. I really like the changes they've brought in iOS 16 and I hope they add more customization as time goes by. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video or learned something in the process, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you really enjoyed it, like this video. Anyway, it's been good. See you in the next one. Peace.